चल 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 निकाल निकाल।
BJP President JP Nadda's convoy was attacked with bricks and stones near Kolkata this afternoon and many cars were damaged. BJP leaders were also injured in the attack, the party alleged, accusing the Mamata Banerjee government of a serious lapse in security. Home Minister Amit Shah has asked for a report on the incident which BJP leader alleged was orchestrated by the state's ruling Trinamool Congress. A dramatic video shared online shows a car said to be part of BJP chief's convoy being attacked with bricks and the windscreen and windows shattering. "If I have reached here for the meeting is due to Ma Durga's grace," said Mr. Nadda. The Trinamool, however, accused the BJP of intentional provocation and attempting to stir trouble. The BJP leader were travelling to Diamond Harbour in South 24 Parganas near Kolkata when the attack took place around 12 noon. Diamond Harbour is the parliamentary constituency of Trinamool MP Abhishek Banerjee, the nephew of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Some BJP workers on motorcycles were attacked with sticks. Several media vehicles were also hit with stones. Reports suggest the attack was a result of a BJP convoy passing an area at the same time as a Trinamool rally.
चल 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 निकाल निकाल। चल 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 निकाल निकाल। चल 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 निकाल निकाल।
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.